Hello, everybody. Just wanted to make sure everybody understood when I'm talking about format with your poetry booklet, what I'm looking for, and I got a few examples here from the last couple of years that I printed off. And I know I showed y'all Christians. That's my oldest son, and it's not perfect, but real quick, visually, one more time, I want to show you title page. Has the title, and then it has the name. That's it. And then image that reflects the theme of one of your poems or something going on in one of your poems. So Christian has two poems about baseball in here. So that's why he's got a picture of baseball and a baseball bat. Okay. Title page. Boom. Nothing fancy. Okay. Dedication page. Boom. Nothing fancy. Okay. Make it look like that, all on one page, okay? What was that? I coughed in, I picked up at the same time. All right, table of contents. Again, I talked about this in an earlier video. It's not perfect, okay? But he's pretty much got one type of poetry per page, okay? And it goes through. I'm not going to show you everything word for word, detail for detail, but he's got his 10 poems. And then, boom, at the end, about the poet page. Just like that, okay? It's big. It's going to be at least 15 sheets of paper, okay? Here's Tim Guerin's, Tim Dog, okay? Compilation of anime poems, because every single one of his poems is about anime. So this cover page works because it's all about anime, okay? I'll flip the page, title page right there, dedication page, okay? I'm going to flip again. Boom. Table of contents. On this table of contents works great because it's got the poem title, the type of poem, and the page number, okay? And it goes from there. So please keep that in mind that you gotta have the poem title, the type of poem, and the page number. Poem title, type of poem, page number. One more time for the people in the back. Poem title, type of poem, page number. Boom, just like that. Keep in mind that the first page your stuff can be on is really page 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So page 5 is as soon as it can be. Excuse me, I just said page 4. Page 5 is as soon as because cover page, title page, dedication page, table of contents. So as soon as your poems can start is page 5. Okay, it goes through all the poems, everything. He's got lots of imagery going on there. Boom, back page, he's got about the poet. That's all there is to it, just like that, okay? It's Addison Clary. Addison's amazing poetry booklet. Hey, there, she has poems about sports and golf and running and teammates and cheering and soccer and all sorts of stuff. So all these pictures work. That's her cover page. There's the title page. Now, she didn't have to leave title page or dedication page on here, but that's okay. She dedicates this to Mom because we all love Mom. And then, boom, table of contents, poem name, type poem, page number. Boom, just like that. Okay, so Diamante's right here. And she's got 3 Diamante poems just like that, okay? So I think y'all are kind of catching my drift or smelling what the rock is cooking. Here's her Cascade poem, just like that. She's got her 5 haiku on the same page, just like that, okay? This is just to say, now she made a boo-boo here. Her Blitz poem should have started on the next page, but that's okay. We're not going to beat her up because, this was last year, but I probably took off points because this is just to say started here and bled over. And it's fine if it bleeds over, but you need to start a new page. So, as if you're watching this a year later, blah, 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 okay? Sonnet, boom, all on one page. Okay, so y'all catch the drift. I get all the way to the back, and then boom, I got about the poet page. And she put pictures of herself in there with her sister. Very cool stuff, okay? Last one, Lauren Steinbeck. Okay, Lauren's work of art. Awesome, fantastic. She's got her name, second block, cool artwork. Okay? And then title page, dedication page. Table of contents. Again, poem name, type, page number. Poem name, type, page number. Poem name, type, page number. Okay? What my name means, it goes into there. we didn't do what my name means. So if you see that, you're like, we can go from there, and then let's see here. Let's see if she's got. Yep, on the last page is the About the Poet page, just like that. Okay, so make sure you are following the checklist that I gave you all. Yeah. Looks just like this. From Google Classroom. Follow it. If you got any questions, send me an email. Okay? Alright, so remote kids, your project's due Friday. Cohort A, Monday. Cohort B, Tuesday. So make sure you're loving yourself and getting it done. Alright, so love you guys. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.